Come back to the channel. Today we are looking at Mullen Automotive Inc. with the ticker symbol MULN. Today is definitely not a good day for investors in this EV startup. The company, which is based in the United States and promises to bring EV vehicles to the market. They actually have a few models that they were able to demonstrate to the press. Today the stock is tanking and it has gone down 14.37%, trading at $1.84 as we speak. If you look at the 1-day graph, that is quite a stark drop in the stock price. The day's range has been from $1.76 all the way up to $2.17. The 52-week range has been from 52 cents all the way up to $15.89. Today's volume is already at 76 million shares that have exchanged hands, and the average volume would be typically about 127 million shares per trading day. So since the Hindenburg research report came out about Mullen Automotive, what it basically said was that they didn't have EPA approval for producing their EV vans in the United States. And then they also delved into some of the principles past and revealed that some of them had been associated with penny stocks in the past, and the penny stocks, of course, failed. One of them was associated with 5 different penny stocks that all crashed. Another one served time in jail for bank fraud, and just a whole series of problems. The latest news about Mullen Automotive is that they are going to refurbish a power plant in California and then bring their battery manufacturing in-house. Where there is smoke, there is fire. What does that mean? If they bring their battery manufacturing in-house, now you don't have any outside company or person who can independently, for example, verify that battery production is actually taking place and they are actually delivering batteries to the Mullen factory for assembly into finished vehicles. So that puts a very, very thick fog cloud around the whole Mullen operations. Bringing the battery manufacturing in-house, if you're just a casual listener, it sounds great, because then it shows that they will have all a very nice vertical integration of all of their operations. But for a company that hasn't yet proven itself, that is very worrying. That is very disturbing. Even well-established companies like Tesla, they are transparent. They outsource. They used to outsource their. I think they still do their battery manufacturing to other major companies. And those major companies, it shows up in their balance sheet how many batteries they sold to Tesla. So there, nothing can be hidden. And then you see the Tesla vehicles on the road. So everything is transparent. It is proven that, yeah, this number of batteries have been delivered, have been manufactured, and Tesla effectively took delivery of the batteries. But with Mullen, only thing that you have is you have to listen to them. If they say, yeah, we've produced 10,000 batteries, you have no proof because everything is in-house. Big red flag. So guys, be very careful. The other thing is the amount of outstanding shares that are sold short. I saw one, but it was from a few days ago, which was saying about 45% short interest in the company. And today I saw another report. It's showing that it's a bit less than that, maybe about 13% of the outstanding shares that are sold short. 5-day trend, you can see how the graph drops. Within the past 5 trading days, the stock has been trading anywhere from up to $2.77, and now it has dropped all the way down to $1.79. Very careful if you're investing in this company. they haven't proven themselves. The battery technology, things that you could outsource, because you don't yet have the manufacturing power. Same like Tesla when they started. Everything, they went to an international car parts bin, and they picked parts from various manufacturers who were already established, brought everything together at their factory in Fremont, and boom, they had their Tesla Roadster. But with Mullen Automotive, instead they want to do everything in-house. That for me is a big red flag. So do be careful with your hard-earned money. Do your due diligence. If you want to play poker with this stock, good luck. But for me, things they're not looking very rosy. So be careful. All right, that's what I had to share with you guys, and we will keep a close watch on Mullen Automotive and see where this heads. But as of right now, I don't think it's looking good. The announcement about the bringing the battery manufacturing in-house, it might actually have the opposite effect. People are no longer, taken easily like that. When back in the day when you said, hey, yeah, we're gonna do this, we're gonna open up a factory, here it is, we have the keys, people get excited about stuff like that. But nowadays, instead, it means that maybe they're trying to obfuscate certain details about their readiness to ramp up production of their vehicles. All right, guys, that's what I had to share with you today. Hope you're not losing money on this trade. And of course, I'm not a financial planner or advisor, so I'm just this is for entertainment purposes alone. So take it with a huge amount of salt. Do your own due diligence, please. And if you are in doubt about attaining your financial goals, then please seek a certified financial planner who can help you get to where you intend to be financially. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. We are making some great progress, and I would like you to be one of those who effectively help me grow the channel. Bye for now, and catch you guys on the next one.